Hello guys, this is Tracy from Scratch Kitchen and we're going to make Sloppy Joes. We're going to use the sauce we made the other day. We get Kirkwood all natural ground turkey from Aldi's. It's very good. And Antonio seems to like it, so we get it. It's not bad really. A lot of times people do canning videos, it's like, what do you do with the stuff you can, you know? They don't really tell what they do with it. But we're going to look at what one option is using ground turkey. Now I do have ground beef already canned, but it's like, she wants a ground beef, first day back to school, and she's going to get ground turkey Joes. I will bring you back when it's time to add the sauce. Alright guys, as you can see, the ground turkey is done. And ground turkey tends to be light. If you've never used it, it's not like ground beef. It's not going to get real dark brown. As a matter of fact, if you get this dark brown, you burned it, okay? Here's our brand new sauce. And stir it in. Oh my god, if you could smell this. Oh my god. Homemade Saucey Joe sauce, or any sauce for that matter, is going to smell so much better than that stuff in the can. Now, all you gotta do is let it simmer and get it all soaked into the meat, and then I will bring you Sloppy Joes back. Alright guys, it's been 5 minutes. It has thickened down the meat, and I'm gonna give it a try. Very good. Tonya, come here. Now, any of you that have kids, you know, teenagers can be hard to please.
However, a Pomeranian.
However, a Pom, not so much. As he's just too cute for words.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Okay. There you go. Oh. Okay guys, here we go. So, we got Sloppy Joes for dinner with ground turkey. If you don't want to make that much of Sloppy Joe sauce, I understand. Pinterest has got a great recipe for Sloppy Joe sauce. It's really good. It's exactly the same. Until later, be well, be safe. Make some Sloppy Joe sauce at home. Leave that stuff in a can at the store. You know what's in it. See you later.